Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a GMC Sierra 1500. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you nice and safe. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. GM bed liner keeps the bed nice and safe. You have the hard cap on top, also keeping the bed safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise audio and Bluetooth mounted to the steering wheel, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate controls as well as dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.